Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check or see your payment history or management into your Wise application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check your payment history or payments in Wise, you just simply have to open the Wise application at very first, and after opening the Wise application, simply unlock it. And now, after unlocking, you will get this home page and a bunch of options. You just simply have to choose this payments option at the bottom right. And after tapping into there, if the payment feature is available into your region, you can see all of the payment history and manage those payments from this section. But if this feature is not available into your region, it shows something like this, and you'll have to wait when this feature will be available into your region. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.